Hello, guys.
Hey, Madan, good to see you again.
What are you looking to take away from class?
Excited to learn more.
They have to have courage. If you don't have the courage to stand up and say, this is what we can be doing to help you, these are critical metrics you need to rally behind, and this is why we believe this is the case.
I think the role of empathy is extremely important, especially as an agency partner, because, reading body language, understanding agendas, and being able to influence with credibility and trust is very critical. We need to be better data storytellers on the agency side, but also embedded with trust and empathy.
One of the most important topics for our business this year is getting ahead on attribution. How do we form strong opinions about what our client should be looking at, what we should be offering as solution?
Define a decision, then test the decision using incrementality test. Now you scale the winners, you cut the losers. You basically made, decisions that grow the business value.
Having the courage to have a perspective and a drive is so empowering in our relationship, because I know that we together are working at the same level of intensity to make it happen.
I don't think I've ever seen something on attribution put together so professionally.
Now you have a big tribe of us, all hanging out together. You're welcome to hang out with us, and we all kind of mooch off each other's wisdom. You're welcome to do that and be part of the community, help us build best practices. And great to have you in class. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
Madan.
Thanks,
Bye.
Madan.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.